Did you know that some animals can actually talk to each other? For example, dolphins use unique whistles as names. Another wild behavior? Crows can hold grudges. They remember human faces and will even warn others about them. And here's a real head scratcher. Octopuses can escape through tiny openings. They have no bones, which means a basketball sized octopus can slip through a hole the size of a quarter. Nature is full of strange and unusual animal behaviors. What's your favorite animal fact?